chill and relaxed music. Make sure you smash the like button.
Chill, relax music. We back, y'all. I hope y'all ready. Come on. Now I got some affirmations. These affirmations will change your life. Now, if you believe in the phrase that you are what you think, then you believe life truly stems from all of your thoughts. But we cannot rely purely on thoughts. We must translate thoughts into words and eventually into actions, and then to manifest into our intentions. So we must be very careful when we use our words, choosing only to speak those which work in our benefit and contribute to our highest good. Now, affirmations help purify our thoughts and reconstruct the dynamics of our brains so that we truly begin to think that nothing is impossible. So let's start with this. I am the architect of my life, and I build its foundation and choose its contents. One more time. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. Today, I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. Now, another one to go into is I am superior to negative thoughts and non-productive actions. I am superior to negative thoughts and non-productive actions. I have been given endless talents, which I begin to utilize today. I've been given endless talents, which I begin to utilize today. I forgive those who have harmed me in the past and peacefully detach from them. I forgive those who have harmed me in the past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with nothing but love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it nothing but love. I am guided in each and every step by spirit that leads me towards what I must do. I am guided in each and every step by spirit that leads me towards what I must do. I possess the qualities that's needed to become extremely successful. I possess the qualities that's needed to become extremely successful. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. Happiness is a choice, and I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. Happiness is a choice, and I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. My thoughts are filled with positivity, and my life is plentiful with prosperity. My thoughts are filled with positivity, and my life is plentiful with prosperity. Today I abandon my old habits and pick up new and more positive ones. Today I abandon my old habits and pick up new and more positive ones. Everything happening to me now is coming together for my ultimate good. Everything happening to me now is coming together for my ultimate good. My efforts are being supported by the universe. So my dreams manifest into reality. My efforts are being supported by the universe. So my dreams manifest into reality. My obstacles are moving out of my way. And my path is being carved toward greatness. My obstacles are moving out of my way. And my path is being carved toward greatness. I woke up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. I woke up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and what will happen. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and what will happen.